Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Mazda cx9. This car have a problem. If I turn on emergency, see, it's working in meter but outside not working. Yeah, I'll show you. See, emergency not working, here not working, this side nothing, this mirror not working. That's the problem. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Front, back not working. Or one thing, if I show this right side, this one direct not working, but if I press wire, see, that's the problem. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem and where is the issue. So this is actually problem here. This body control called all indicator and emergency hazard wire came here. So now I remove control unit and I'll show you. I think if I am repairing it, or it will be okay, or if it's not, then replace body control. Okay, I'll show you. So now I remove front body control unit. Here's the 10mm bolt. Here you can see water damage. See, that's the problem. So now I will repair it and then I will show you. So here you can see two MOSFET. Okay, see, one damage, and that's the problem. You can see this is direct and this one is good. See, this is perfect, but this is damaged. See, so now we replace this MOSFET and then check if it is good. Now I replace. Here you can see old one, replace a new one. Okay, I'll show you now. It is working. Here you can see before this is good, but this one short. Now you can see here there is no short and it's perfect. Okay, fix BCM, and here you can see now hazard light working perfectly. Great success.